Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to complete PayPal account setup. First, head to the official PayPal website or download the mobile application. You will then choose between a personal or business account, depending on your specific needs. Next, enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. Finally, provide your personal details such as your full name and current address to get your account started. Now let's connect a funding source. Go to the Wallet section in your PayPal account. Here, you will find options to link either a bank account or a debit or credit card. You can often link your bank instantly by logging in with your online banking credentials. Alternatively, you can link manually. PayPal will send two small deposits, typically between 1 cent and 99 cents, to your bank account for you to confirm. Next, it is essential to confirm your contact information. First, check your email inbox for a message from PayPal and click the verification link provided. Then, add your phone number to your account settings. PayPal will send a unique 6-digit verification code via text message. Enter this code into your PayPal account to confirm your number. These steps are vital for security and to unlock all account features. Finally, let's enhance your account security. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. This requires a second verification step, like a code from your phone. You can also consider using passkeys for a more secure and convenient login. Remember, PayPal utilizes advanced fraud detection and encryption to protect your transactions. Always review your account activity and update your password regularly for optimal safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.